Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, please do me a favor by clicking on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments if there's anything you want to say. I'll be watching out for it. So, we will be looking at AUD USD for this week. At first, price actually, let's see, this was about move. Okay, if we take a look at this AUD USD, we actually had a bullish move, right? You can take a look at it. Not much of a movement, by the way, because I think it was on Wednesday, if I'm not wrong. There was kind of like an inflation, CPI year to year was, released. That actually did not come out. It actually came out very, very low, right? One of the reasons why AUD actually dropped against USD. So it was one of those pairs to our USD that did not really have a much movement, that last week. But this week that we are predicting for, we will be expecting or speculating another bullish move on AUD USD. So we will be expecting that bullish move. One of the reasons is that we will be expecting a drop on USD. So with that, any other pairs we are trading to our USD needs to give us a bullish move. At the same time, movement for this week will actually be very, very crazy. I want you guys to pay attention to it, especially if you are just a trader. You need to know what will be happening this week. And one of those trades that will be happening this week is major news being released this week. As you can see on Monday, you'll be expecting one of the major news that will have an effect on our USD pairs. On Tuesday, we will also be having an effect on our USD pairs, major news that will move our USD pairs. Same thing with on Wednesday, you can see AD non-farm employment change. We will also be expecting another, I think it's about to ISM service. Another Thursday, we'll be expecting another one on Thursday, and we will be expecting another one on Friday. So basically, this news is going to have a major impact on this our USD. So with that, AUD USD needs to actually give us kind of like a back and forth movement. But if you have to look at it technically, what I'll be watching out for is another bullish move. So probably if there's going to be a much movement or a better move for USD, I think with this, if the news on USD will not come out fine, I expect the XY or USD to drop. Then this AUD to USD to actually go bullish. With that, if I'm not wrong, we should be able to see about 100 plus pips, probably 200 pips, if the volatile movement is going to be very, very strong this week. But with that, I think we should have a minimum of about 100 pips on AUD USD. Now let's see what this 4 hour time frame is literally saying. So we can see price is actually rolling, then price eventually drop. So with what I'm seeing here, I'll be expecting another movement upward. What I said, I'll be coming to take out this resistance, which will be giving us about 100 pips, 100 pips bullish move. So we should be expecting a bullish move this week on AUD USD. So if you're in case you're having trouble growing up your account on everything, or you're actually losing, I have a solution for you, and one of those solutions will be in the comment section. The link will be in the comment section. In that channel, I've created a channel where I intend to put out high probability trade that you have 70 to 90% chance of winning. So I'll be sharing those trades with you. So if in case you're interested, just sign up, give it a try. Not after that, I'll also be releasing soon a live session whereby we will be looking at the forex market, and if possible the stock market if you want, but we will be majorly looking at the forex market and be looking at the trying to watch out the potential move for the week. We will be hosting that live session probably twice in a week or 3 times in a week, but I think twice in a week will be okay. So we would look at potential move and everything. Now, some of those trades we took last week, I'm going to put a link to it. You can see it March 27 to 31. So these are some of those trades we actually took last week. It's even one more trade that is still ongoing. So once that trade actually hits our profits, I'm going to share it with you. So if in case you also want to take that trade, you can just give it a try. Sign up, by the way, because we have a lot of profit to grab on that trade. So if you sign up, you get access to those trades. And the trade that I'll be putting out for this week, I'm also going to be sharing it here. So if in case you're interested, you can give it a try for just this month. You can see we are in the month of October. You can just give it a try for this October. Then after the end of the October, in the month of April. So you can give it a try for this month of April. So after the end of April, then you can decide to keep your subscription, or you can go ahead and cancel your subscription.